EAZY. IPTV Player is the most advanced IPTV streaming player on the market. Add, delete, rename streams, all made very easy with the IPTV Cloud Panel.
Audio preview.
Importing playlists has never been so easy. Just copy and paste, or use one of the API functions.
Audio preview.
Last channel, memory, are only a few of the great features within this app. Rapid auto start, just launch your application, and you're online. Movies import large playlists easy as 1, 2, 3. Connecting to other IPTV portal servers has never been so easy. Simply log into your panel and connect.
Audio preview.
No need for external, third-party players. Playback is all handled inside one application.
Audio preview. Audio preview.
Find us on Google Play Store.